All right, so now let's go ahead and take care of the last thing. Um, and that is actually deleting the food items right there. So let's go ahead to the routes and let's do this. So let me copy this right here and paste. So this will be the route type of get, and this will be delete dash food. And this will be right here, delete food for the, you know, for the function. So also this will be delete foods. So save this, copy this right here, copy this, and let's see if we go right here. Yeah, we need to go to the resources first, and we need to go to admins. If we go to all foods, and if we go right there, if we go route delete dot foods, and we go right here and just go food and pass in the ID so we can delete based on it. So save this. We also need to go right there at the web once back, and we need to actually pass in some kind of ID so we can delete based on it. All right, so let's save, both pages, and I want to go back, and I want to grab my function so I can do this. So let's go right here and let's paste this in. So let's copy any one of those functions. So I'm just gonna copy this, for example. I want to paste it like that. Let's copy this and paste it. So I want to pass in the ID. All right, so this will be food like that. And let's see. I want to delete this whole thing. I just want to go food. And I want to find the ID right here. So I can grab the whole row. And right after this, check out the resources section so you will find a code that will allow us to simply delete the image. Because I don't just want to go ahead and delete a row in the database, I also want to delete the file right along with it, so we cannot, so we don't flood our image right here, our image folder in the assets, which is right here. We don't have to keep the files or the images for the deleted records, all right? Because this will just make our web application, too slow. All right, so right after we grab the row, we can simply do the file exists right here. So I'm gonna go right at the top, and I'm gonna go use file like that. So let's save this, and now I can use the file right here, class, and I can simply check if this if this file exists or not. So this file is actually, or this image actually, it's in the assets folder, and it's in the image folder. So I want to go and I want to paste this right here because we're trying to grab the food. We're trying to grab the image from the food, all right, from the food variable right here, or from the food array. All right, so I'm gonna check if it exists or not, and if it exists, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete it. So I'm gonna go right here, I'm gonna go to assets / image, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete this image right here. Because since I got the row right here, I can now grab every possible piece of data inside my table. All right, so yeah, so right after this, right after I delete this, now I want to delete the record. So I'm just gonna go simply food, and I'm gonna go my delete function like that. So yeah, this should actually be everything for the logic right here. All what we had left is we want to go to the all foods. No, we're not gonna go to all foods. Yeah, we're actually gonna go to all foods, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this code instead of this. So if this is right here is done, I'm gonna go return redirect, and I'm gonna go to all foods right here, and I'm gonna go with a delete message. So I'm gonna go food item deleted successfully. I'm gonna save this. So I'm gonna go to all foods right now, and I'm gonna copy the code that will allow me to display this message, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it like that, and this will be delete, and this will be delete right here. So save this. So I guess that everything right here is looking great. let me actually go ahead and try this out. Well, I just want to show you something right here. I want to delete this record right here with the ID of 6. All right. And the image, as you can see, here is the image name, which is menu-6.jpg. All right, so it's right there. And if we look at the public, if we go to the image, you will see that there it is. There is actually the image right there. It's menu-6.jpg. All right, so I will show you. I just want to show you that we will actually delete the file. All right, so yeah, it's right over here. So let me try refresh this. And if you hover over any one of those right now, you should actually get some kind of dynamic ID. Alright, so if I simply click delete, alright, so as you can see, full ID deleted successfully, and the record is gone from the view. And if we click browse right there, alright, so the row now should actually be gone. So as you can see, the row is simply gone right over there. So if we look right here at our image, you will not see it. We can only see menu-4, menu-5, menu-7, 8, and it goes on. So the image is actually deleted. So yeah, this is actually everything. So this is it, and I will see you on the next video.